Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a closer look at a component that might just be the unsung hero of many wiring projects. The 72.300.245 3.9 rectangular female connector. This isn't just any connector. It's a robust solution designed for those intricate setups requiring multiple signal paths and a reliable ground. What immediately stands out about the 72.300.245 3.9 is its impressive capacity. We're talking about a connector that handles 24 individual signal lines, plus a dedicated ground connection. For anyone working with complex control systems, sensor arrays, or multi-channel audio and data, this configuration is incredibly valuable. It allows for a clean, consolidated connection point, reducing cable clutter and simplifying troubleshooting down the line. Imagine trying to manage 25 separate wires. This single connector brings order to that potential chaos. One of the most significant features, and frankly, a game changer for many, is the positive screw terminal POS screw ST connection method. This means no specialized crimping tools are required, and certainly no soldering iron. Installation becomes a straightforward process of stripping your wires, inserting them into the terminals, and tightening a screw. This not only makes field installations much easier and faster, but also provides a highly secure and reliable connection that can be easily inspected or reworked if needed. The positive screw terminal ensures a firm grip on each conductor, minimizing the risk of intermittent connections or signal loss, which is crucial for sensitive applications. The cable mount design further enhances its versatility. Unlike panel mount connectors that are fixed to an enclosure, this unit is designed to be integrated directly into a cable assembly. This makes it ideal for creating custom cable harnesses, extension cables, or for applications where the connection point needs to be mobile or flexible. Whether you're building a custom test rig, an industrial automation system, or a sophisticated audio setup, the ability to create a robust, multi-signal cable with a secure screw terminal connection is invaluable. Its rectangular form factor is also a practical choice, often allowing for more efficient use of space compared to circular connectors, especially when integrating into existing equipment or custom enclosures. The female gender of the connector means it's ready to receive a male counterpart, forming a complete and secure connection. In essence, the 72.300.245 3.9 is engineered for reliability and ease of use. It's a component that speaks to the needs of professionals and serious hobbyists alike who demand precision and durability in their electrical connections. For anyone looking to streamline their multi-signal wiring with a dependable, easy-to-install solution, this rectangular female connector with its 24 signal and 1 ground screw terminals is definitely a top contender. It truly simplifies complex wiring, making projects more manageable and connections more robust.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.